Much love, fam, and welcome back. Today is a little get ready with me so we can chat and catch up. So definitely stay tuned. Like this video if you like this video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's get ready. All right, fam, so I am all showered up and back, as you can see. Got my sleeve wet there. But let's go ahead and start getting ready. Today, well, let me know what you guys have going on today. What you're doing. Do you have a busy day? A chillax kind of day? What's going on with you? Oh, you guys, and I did not wash my hair or anything like that. I didn't even put any moisturizer on it, or not moisturizer, water, oils, nothing. It's just is how it is. I just put it up before my shower. And that's that. So just a little FYI. But look at my bangs, you guys. That's kind of not bang there, but this is bangs. But ooh, they've really been sprouting. I'm really enjoying that, but oh, cashews up here trying to mess up stuff, of course. But now I'm, thinking of different things I can do. Obviously, I don't want my bangs in my face like this. This will not go. This is not cute. So I was kind of thinking maybe trying a style or something like that one day. Anywho, today's not the day for that because I have a busy day. I'm just going to go in and spray my face right quick because it kind of dried after the shower, and I don't like to put my oil on dry skin. That's good. My daughter this morning, she has ballet class, so we're going to go for that. And then after class, we have a little break. And then she has ballet rehearsal. I'm going to use some shea butter. You guys know that I use coconut oil from head to toe, but my son's skin had been getting really quite dry. We went through that heat spell, heat wave, and everyone was really dried out. My feet were dried out. His face, like his little cheeks were getting a little dry because he was in the pool a lot, in his Nana and Papa's pool quite a bit. His little back was getting dry, and then, like I said, my feet and stuff. So I got some shea butter. It had been a while since we used it, but we've just been using this straight up shea butter. And I thought, it might be a little too thick for my face. I like to stick with my coconut oil. But I've been using it because I've been out hiking an awful lot. And I've been liking it. I should have showed you how much, but I mean, it was the tiniest little fleck that I used along with water, wet face. And it has been working nicely. I like it. I also, you guys know I use Dr. Bronner's on my, pretty much not head to toe because not on my hair, but on our face, all our skin, I will say, all our skin. I use the Dr. Bronner's Mild, and I have been trying some different stuff for my face. I got curious, so I tried, I want to call it Urban RX. But when I'm using something new, I will, if I don't know the ingredients on it, I will type it into EWG's Skin Deep. And I've been using that for years. And it's amazing because you can type in an ingredient or a product in there, and it will tell you how toxic it is, a level. From 1, I think, up to 10 being the most toxic. And so I typed it in there, not when I purchased it, I think after, maybe my phone was dead or something like that. And I wasn't too happy. It's not the most toxic, but this is to give you an idea. Dr. Bronner's is a 1 on there. That's how toxic Dr. Bronner's is. It's a 1, which is like, the most not toxic product you can use. That one I think was like a 6 or something, which is a little too high for me. I like to stay in the 1 to 3, 1 to 4 range, depending on why it is toxic. It will break it down for you and tell you what the toxin is in there so you can make your own judgment. A lot of times it's fragrance. because it, on products, it can say the word fragrance, but it can have a lot of other things in there. So a lot of times I find that it's the fragrance. So anywho, don't love the ingredients, or the toxicity of it, and do not love what it kind of did for my skin. And then what? And then I tried a friend of mine sent me, she sells Arbonne. So she sent me some Arbonne. It was the calming skin dealy. And I tried that. She sent the moisturizer and the wash, which the wash is one of those cream washes. It doesn't foam up, a cream wash. So, and this is e.l.f., you guys. It has the little bunny on there saying it's vegan. And many of the e.l.f. products I really do enjoy. I like them, but I grabbed this one. Why did I grab this? I don't know. Maybe I didn't have my lip gloss while I was out, and I wanted another one. So I got this one. I like it. It feels really jelly-like and smooth. But so I tried those two and I liked them because you'll see like 3 or 4 videos ago I was talking about I had a little bumpage right here, which I don't really get, but I think it must have been environment and stuff with the smoke and everything. So I tried those two and I liked them. I didn't immediately love how the cream wash felt while I was washing, but after, my skin seems to like it, so I liked those. But right now I'm back to my just bronzers, and some days I will use a little buff puffer to scrub. But anyways, let me know down below what face soaps you are using, face wash. Maybe I might want to dive in. I don't know. I like to, stick with things that work, which is my bronzers and my puffer. But if you see something that you think I might enjoy, please leave it down below for me. Okay, so for hair today, what was I saying? I think I veered off. So after that, we have a break. Then she has rehearsal. Then I'm not going to leave my hair like this, I don't think. Oh, it's kind of cute, but I might do a half up, half down thing with this. My new best friend, these little spirals. I love these. So then we have another break, and then she films a showcase later tonight. Not till like 8 o'clock, you guys. So I'm happy for her because they found a way to perform right now. They will be pre-recording. Usually they do a performance and we all go to the theater and watch it, but they're going to be doing a pre-recorded kind of thing, and then we will all get to watch it online. They're going to stream it. They're going to stream it live, and some people will be performing live at the actual theater, but then a lot of performances will also be recorded. So it's going to be kind of like a awards show kind of format, I think. You know what I mean? How they've been doing lately, where they're there and some people are there, but then some performances are pre-recorded. So I think that's what they're going to that's how it's going to look. But I'm excited for them because with, COVID and everything, it was, maybe I'll just do one around. It was, ooh, this is awful. It was hard not being able to perform. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm just going to kind of put these bangs to the back and leave it like that. Because you do all that hard work in rehearsal so you can perform, and then we're not able to perform. So I'm so happy that performances are back and everything, and she's preparing for, after this, another couple of performances. So all that to say that today is a doozy, and I need to get going and stop talking so darn much. But yeah, so when they do rehearsals and stuff, they still wear masks 6 feet apart, all that, and then they'll get to do this performance. So anywho, you guys, I was like, the jury was out if I was going to do any makeup at all, but I'm going to do this e.l.f. as well. It's just a little bit of concealer It's called 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I like e.l.f. They're, if not all, many of their products are vegan and they're on the less toxic side. So I'm just going to put a little bit like this. And you guys, I did my full makeup the other day and my eyes were not happy with me. My eyes were feeling so like dried out and burny. Ooh, it was not pretty. So I'm just going to do a little bit of that with my lip gloss. Maybe I will do, should I do some mascara? Probably not. I don't want to have that eye issue. And we're going to be gone all day. And I know I'm going to have tired eyes. So I think I'm going to leave it at that. So then, where's my thing here? I'm just using my finger. Y'all know I'm not the makeup person, so I did have one of those blenders, 2 or 3 of them, and I do have one, but mostly I just like to use my finger. And then my little brush here, I have a couple more. It looks like I only have one because I always use this one, but I have a couple more. I don't know where they're at, but this one got glitter on it. So every time I try to use it now, I be looking like a disco ball. And so I'm not going to use that either. I don't want to look like, see, I even feel glitters, see glitters right here. It's like my whole makeup bag got glitteratied. So, I don't know. So you guys, my routine, I've been doing a hike about 4 to 5 times a week. And then I've been doing my yoga, not enough, only about once a week. I fell off a little bit. I've been doing it about once. I really should up it to 2 to 3 on my hikes, but you know, it's been so busy with everything, and let me stop talking about it's been so busy with everything. You make time for what you want to make time for, right? So I need to put my yoga back in another 1 to 2 times. One time and I'll be happy. But I've only been doing it once, and then my hikes, I've been doing that, like I said, 4 to 5, and that has been great and amazing. And if I don't get that in, then I'm not feeling so great. And speaking of which, let me grab my supplement and a drink of water before it's too late. Okay, you guys, I've got about 5 minutes before I have to make sure my girl is up and ready. But I wanted to show you these. I mentioned them in a video before. And this is not the only brands we use. But I haven't been making my turmeric ginger mix. I'll link above to it if you're interested. I usually make that and we keep it on hand, but I haven't been personally making it just because of time and everything. It's more convenient to use these. So we've been using these little bottle shots instead because I was making them and we do our own shooters, which is way more economical, and I like it fresh. You know, I use fresh turmeric, fresh ginger, fresh lemon. I like it straight up fresh. But, you know, when you can't do that, these work well as well. So I'm going to take some of that. And then I've been back into my, where am I? Back into my wheatgrass. You guys, back when I was a teenager, okay? When I was first like figuring out my health and all that good stuff. I discovered wheatgrass. And so before I would go for my workout, they had this little juice place next door, and I would get a wheatgrass and just shoot it and then go in for my workout. And like I said, I was just getting into health and things at that time, and oh, it made me feel so good. So good. So I hadn't been worried about wheatgrass since then. I've had a little here and there in, you know, smoothie, stuff like that, but not like just doing a shot. So I've been going to this juice spot here after my hike. I actually walk right on by there after my hike, and I'll do a wheatgrass shot and a little chaser of like apple juice or something like that, and then water and rehydrate my body. And I've been feeling so amazing. So I'm so happy I rediscovered wheatgrass. But I also have these for when I don't go to the little juice spot. Now, they mix the wheatgrass in here with juices, so it's not straight up wheatgrass, but it is something. So, and I haven't core. I don't know if any of the other ones make it, but you've seen all the brands now. They're all doing their shooters, their little shots. So anyways, I'm going to take this. I think that's all I'm going to do. I'm ready. That's the get ready, you guys. I'm ready. I'm not going to do anything to my hair. I was going to put it back, but I think I'm just going to kind of let it fall like that. Cheers to you. It's easier to take with those juices up in there because you know wheatgrass. But anywho, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Definitely let me know how you are doing down below. What's your day looking like? What's your week looking like? I really love connecting and chatting with you. And then, you know, I post every Sunday and Thursday. So I will see you again in another few days. All right. Bye.
Yeah, you're really awesome. I'm gonna take that as a yes.